May logo pa ng Xiaomi. So we do have the defrost, pizza, galing. Cake, pwede rin mag-bake ng cake. Veggies or vegetables ang lagay. So may wifi na nagbi-blink. I think you can connect it sa Xiaomi Home app. May shrimp. So hindi pa, ayun, natatouch din. Wow. Okay, so, sorry, pause natin. On off ko muna. Galing May fish. May lamb chops. May steak. So it has a different variety on kung ano yung lulutuin mo. So meron siya mga choices dito. Siguro kasi minsan di mo alam ilan yung temperature para maluto mo or the way it cooks. So I don't know. But I think that's a good thing here na kapag chicken, meron kasi kaming scenario before, 15 minutes ko with chicken, sakto lang pati yung loob luto. Doon sa previous namin na air fryer. But pag 15 minutes yung sa pork steak na niluto namin, sunog na. So parang chicharon na, tigas. So ganoon. At I think with this one, di mo na kailangan what do you call this? Magtimpla-timpla ng temperature. So maganda yung pagkakaluto. So we do have chicken wings, steak. So bumalik lang yon. French fries meron din. And may manual. So pwede magma-manual ka. So that's it. So for defrost, may yogurt din. So we do have settings. Click. Wi-Fi. So hindi siya touch screen. Guys, so this is not touch screen. So pe-press mo dapat siya to enter for that one. Wi-Fi reset. Disable. So pa magbaback, yan. I don't know how to back. Oh, so this one yung back. So babalik talaga. So try natin. Dried fruits. So may time na siya. So nagre-recommend siya ng time for dried fruits and then to start, press mo lang. Yan. So nagkakaroon na siya ng sa loob. So pause, click ulit. And then pwede ka mag-modify ng temp tsaka ng time. So off natin. Kasi merong plastic sa loob. So overall, with this one, Xiaomi is really a trusted brand of us. So trusted na namin to since then. Actually, may pad ako ng Xiaomi. Doon ako may keyboard, doon ako